Assalamu alaikum. I am Shirazul Islam, lecturer, Department of History, Sripur Muktijoddha Rahmat Ali Government College, Sripur, Gazipur. I am a Bangladeshi. My home district is Tangail, Bangladesh. I have completed the graduation from Jahangirnagar University on History. I am a teacher. My missus is a teacher, Department of History, Sripur Muktijoddha Rahmat Ali Government College, Sripur, Gazipur. I have two children. Children name Tasin Shahriar and Tasfiya Raisa. I love Bangladesh. I love Global Trainer Academy. Thank you very much.